Good morning, dear students. Today we'll do worksheet 17 made by Directorate of Education GNCT of Delhi for date 27/11/2020. Subject Science English Medium for class 8. Name of student right here, name of teacher here. Today's topic is metal and non-metal comparison. Dear students, we have learned compared physical properties of metal and non-metal. Today we'll do the revision by comparing chemical property of metal and non-metal. Here three column is given here. Column 1 property, column 2 metals, column 3 non-metals. The first property reaction with oxides. When metal react with oxygen produces metal oxide. For example, magnesium react with oxygen produces magnesium oxide MgO. In non-metal also react with oxygen and produces non-metal oxide, for example sulfur plus oxygen sulfur dioxide. Next property, nature of oxides. Metals oxides are basic in nature. How can you verify that? When a red litmus put in it, it will become blue. For blue, here reaction magnesium oxide react with water, it form magnesium hydroxide MgOH twice. In non-metal oxide are acidic in nature, it turns blue litmus to red. Sulfur dioxide plus water, it will form sulfurous acid. Next difference, reaction with water. Reaction with water. Metal react with water and produces metal hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Non-metal do not react with water. In the next property, reaction with acids. For example, hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid. Metal react with acid produces metal salt and hydrogen gas which burn with a pop sound. Here reaction is given here. Sodium is a metal, HCl hydrochloric acid is acid. When metal react with acid, it produces metal salt. And sodium chloride is a metal salt, common salt, and H2 gas. Non-metal do not react with acid. Now reaction with base. Reaction with base example of base is sodium hydroxide. Some metals react with base and produces salt and release hydrogen gas. Here reaction is given. Reaction of non-metal with base is very complex. Now displacement reaction. You have already studied about the displacement reaction. What is displacement reaction? When a more reactive metal is dipped in the salt solution of less reactive metal, then it replaces the zinc less reactive, replaces the less reactive metal from its salt solution. For example, when zinc metal is placed in copper sulfate solution, it displaces less reactive metal copper from its salt solution copper sulfate. Let us see the reaction. When zinc react with copper sulfate solution CuSO4, then zinc sulfate is formed and copper is displaced. This is the example of displacement reaction. Now check yourself. First question, what happens when a metal react with acid? Give one example. When metal react with acid, the answer of this question is given here. When metal react with acid, here, and when metal react with acid produces metal salt and hydrogen gas. Example of this is here. The answer of first question. Metal react with acid. Now second question. How will you confirm that oxides of metal are basic in nature? The answer of this question is here. Oxides of metal are basic in nature. It turns, if we put red litmus in the metal oxides solution, it will turn red litmus to blue. The answer is of second question is here. Metal oxides are basic in nature. It turns red litmus to blue. Next question. Name an acid and base and a base? The answer of this question is, you should write HCl, acid, and sodium hydroxide is a base. Answer of this question, question number 3. Now, fourth question. Differentiate between metal and non-metal on the basis of chemical property. You should write any 3 difference. Difference 1, difference 2, difference 3. From here to here. The answer of fourth question. Now last question. Which gas burn with a pop sound? The answer of this question is hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas burn with pop sound. Last point, COVID appropriate behavior message. Wash your hands with soap and water regularly. Then dear students, in this way, worksheet 17 for class 8th subject science English medium has been completed. Thank you for watching this video.